In this video, we're going to cover our second lab on EC2, load balancing. Now recall that our labs are comprised of two videos. The first is an explainer video that shows you which goals you need to meet. The second is a walkthrough video that will show you how I do it on my end. So once again, I highly encourage you to try it on your own before you watch the walkthrough video. Now let's get started with our goals. The first is to create a launch configuration using a LAMP stack Amazon machine image. And for anyone who's not familiar with the LAMP stack, that's a web application stack that utilizes Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Now that being said, you're definitely not required to know anything about the LAMP stack because the goal here is to search for an AMI that's going to take care of all of that for you. Second, create an autoscaling group with the launch configuration that you created. Third, create a load balancer and target group. Fourth, have the load balancer serve traffic to the instances in the autoscaling group that you created earlier. And then finally, verify that when you navigate to the load balancer's HTTP endpoint, you see your web app. Now, one quick note, it is important to use an autoscaling group that uses at least 2 instances so that you can know your load balancer is successfully serving traffic to multiple instances. And that'll wrap up the goals for this lab. So if that makes sense, then feel free to give it a shot on your own. The next video will be me walking through this lab on my own.